Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for a fall DIY. I don't know about you, but I have tons of these little guys laying around. I always have some flowers and picks laying around, and I have these jewel stickers. I always have stuff, right? So who doesn't have all this stuff? So let's go ahead and put it all together and make something really pretty. All right, let's get started. All right, we've got our little pumpkin here, and I know this is in there with just a little toothpick, so I'm gonna pull that guy out. Ugh, I did not like that sound. And then I'm going to take this. Now you could paint this if you would like to have a different color, but I actually have some white pumpkins and some other colors, so I'm actually gonna stick with the orange. But I am gonna get some of these lovely little diamonds and pearls, and we're gonna go ahead and take those stickers off. And I'm gonna start right here. And in between all of those little guys, we're gonna put that down. And then you are gonna need scissors. And you're gonna wanna cut those just like that. So you've got them in between there. Now I'm gonna do every other one because I don't know how much I have. And you could, if you're only doing the, I can't think, right? I am not a multitasker for sure. If you're only going to be doing the front half, you only have to put your diamonds and pearls on the front half. So we're going to skip a couple and we're going to do it again right here. And again, just in between. And we're just giving it some bling. That's all we're doing. So I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to go around, and if I can get even more in the middle lines, then I'll do that. But for right now, I'm doing every other line. All right, so about halfway through, I wised up and just cut it right in half so that I could just stick them on. So we've got our pumpkin. It's all glimmery and glamoury. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our flowers here, and I like to keep the greenery on it, so I push the greenery all the way up. And then you just take, gonna go down about a couple inches and just hold your scissors and then squeeze these two together, and they usually break right quickly. So we've got that. I also have some of this twine, and the twine, I just want to take some twine and make it like rough and still pretty, so the diamonds and the flowers give it some prettiness. But I'm opening my fingers up so I can get some nice big coils here. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to tie it, but only in one end. I'm not tying the whole thing. Just like that. And you can do as many coils as you want. And then I'm going to take that, and again we've got our hot glue, and I'm going to put some hot glue right here. And we're going to take that hot glue, and we're going to stick this in here. I'm just going to get something to put that in the hot glue. And then we're just going to pull that around here, there, and everywhere, so it's got little bits of rough, rustic, I guess I would say, all around the pumpkin. Just like that. So cute. I'm loving it. All right, next thing, I'm not gonna worry about the hot glue not being completely done because we're actually just gonna take these little guys and we're gonna poke them in here. And I also have some yellow ones. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna poke these little guys right in here. It is a quick and so easy and so fun little pumpkin. You've got those great little items there. You can find some that go right in the middle, make this a little higher, just like that. And you will come out with a great little pumpkin. So I will go ahead and display this for you. And that was quick and easy. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more Dollar Tree DIYs and other types of crafts. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.